Low-floor endocarditis is characterized by increased eosinophils. Angioinvasive aspergillosis shows halo sign. Chocolate cyst of ovary is seen in endometriosis. Rhinosporidiosis shows mulberry mass. Pseudogotchard cells are seen in bone marrow in a case of CML. Dwarf megakaryocytes are seen in case of CML. Invasive aspergillosis drug of choice is voriconazole. High flow oxygen with nasal cannula is useful in COVID-19 pneumonia. Low flow oxygen with nasal cannula is useful in reducing COPD mortality. Corn web coagulum is due to excess protein coagulation in TB meningitis. Enterotoxigenic Escherichia coli is responsible for traveler's diarrhea. Hobberstarter-Prozvec bodies are seen in trachoma. Tubular heart with flattening of diaphragm is an important feature of COPD X-ray. Pseudofovir is given for recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. Target sign is seen in traumatic CSF rhinorrhea. Necrotizing fasciitis is caused by flesh-eating bacteria Streptococcus pyogenes. Laryngeal and tracheal stenosis are treated by topical mitomycin C. QT interval is shortened in digitalis toxicity. Water hammer pulse or Corrigan pulse is seen in aortic regurgitation. Syncope and sudden death can occur in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. Reversal J deformity on IVP is seen in retrocavalier. Chain of lake appearance is seen in chronic pancreatitis. Antara is injectable contraceptive DIMPA. CoWIN is to track the vaccine delivery status of COVID-19. Dakshata is to reduce the maternal mortality. Kilkari is the vaccine status reminder. EVIN is to track all vaccines. Troponin levels are normal in unstable angina but elevated in non-ST elevated MI. Depth of compressions in CPR in adults is 2 to 2.5 inches or 5 to 6 centimeters. Transthoracic echocardiography confirms cardiac tamponade and constrictive pericarditis very easily. Pericardial calcification is seen in constrictive pericarditis. Multiple B lines are due to fluid in the interstitium seen in pulmonary edema. T wave inversion predicts ischemia. ST depression commonest cause is infarction. Cardiogenic pulmonary edema treatment involve reduced preload diuretics, afterload vasodilators, and inotropic support and oxygen. Amiodarone is useful in the treatment of non-ischemic ventricular tachycardia. Muffled heart sound is a feature of cardiac tamponade. Working principle of pulse oximeter is Beer-Lambert's law. Infrared or oxygenated HB, while red is for reduced HB. Carbamazepine is an anti-epileptic which has mood stabilizing effect used in the treatment of bipolar disorder. COVID-19 X-ray findings include ground glass opacities, which are bilateral, multifocal, and peripheral. In ground glass opacity, the underlying vessels are seen, but those are not seen in consolidation. CT chest is done for complication of COVID-19 and not as a diagnostic test. Brexia chest X-ray scoring for COVID-19. Score 0, no lung abnormalities. Score 1, interstitial infiltrates. Score 2, interstitial and alveolar infiltrates. Interstitial predominance. Score 3, interstitial and alveolar infiltrate. Alveolar predominance. Sanders classification is for Mersey syndrome. 1x is extra making XXY is in Klinefelter syndrome. 1 extra Y making XYY is called Jacob syndrome. Craniopharyngioma in child is characterized by heterogeneously enhancing solid cystic lesion in the suprasellar region showing calcification and presenting as headache and visual defect. Sawtooth appearance on barium enema is seen in diverticulosis. For renal scarring, technetium-99 DMSA is the investigation of choice. Investigation of choice in insulinoma is radionuclide scan. Bone cyst is seen in hyperparathyroidism. Lead zirconate is a piezoelectric substance used as probe in USG. Pathological edema in bilateral thalami is seen in viral encephalitis. Tuberculomas are seen at basal or upper regions of brain. Biconvex bleed is seen in case of extradural hematoma and bleeding is from middle meningeal artery. Concavo-convex bleed in case of subdural hematoma and the bleeding is from bridging cortical veins. Ependymoma arise from the floor of the fourth ventricle. Medulloblastoma arise from the roof of the fourth ventricle. Pituitary macroadenoma shows figure of 8 or snowman appearance. Drug used as radiosensitizer in head and neck cancer is cisplatin. Penicillin, cephalosporin and azithromycin are safe during pregnancy while ciprofloxacin, cotrimoxazole and doxycycline are not safe during pregnancy. Goserelin, a GnRH agonist, is the drug of choice in prostatic cancer. Prolonged use of oral steroids can lead to posterior subcapsular cataract. Long-term use of topical corticosteroids can cause glaucoma. Patient on treatment of acute migraine develop tingling sensations in fingers. It is caused by ergotamine and treatment is by sodium nitroprusside. Most common structure injured in the excision of radula is submandibular duct. The SVC obstruction causes non-pulsatile elevated JVP. C-wave in JVP indicate bulging of tricuspid valve during right ventricle contraction. Swinging flashlight test is used to diagnose RAPD. In amaurotic pupil, direct light reflex is absent in the same eye, while the consensual light reflex is absent in the opposite eye. It is called absolute afferent pupillary defect. Nuclear scan for GFR is the DTPA scan. DMSA is for the cortical function of scan in the kidney. Xeroderma pigmentosa is a defect in the nucleotide excision repair. Criminal responsibility of insane is under Section 84 IPC. Section 85 IPC is force intoxication and not liable for the act. Section 86 IPC is self-intoxication and liable for the act. Dying declaration comes under Section 32 IPC IEA. Necrophilia is punishable under Section 297 IPC. Actraglycoside inhibits ADP and ATP transporter. Oligomycin blocks flow of proton through FO complex. Human topoisomerase that inhibit type 1 topoisomerase is irinotecan and topotecan. Human topoisomerase that inhibit type 2 topoisomerase is etoposide and adiramycin doxorubicin. Sevoflurane is the most preferred inhalation anesthetic and MAC is 2. Isoflurane is the most preferred for cardiac surgery and hepatic surgery. Its MAC is 1.4. Ketamine increases the ICP, so it is avoided in neurosurgery. Desflurane has fastest induction and fastest recovery. Pain on face, which aggravates on smiling and touching the face, indicates trigeminal neuralgia. The drug of choice for this treatment is carbamazepine. Heart patients who have suffered angina or MI, beta blocker is the first line drug. Phenytoin is the drug of choice. Phenytoin is the drug which follow zero order kinetics. A patient after valve replacement require follow-up treatment with warfarin. Eosinophilic light chain laminated cast is seen in multiple myeloma. Cryptosporidium attached to the luminal surface epithelium. Prominent colonies on brush border is seen in spirochetes with silver stain. The bones are always white on CT scan, while on MRI, bones are black or dark gray. It is because the calcium blocks the X-ray photons on CT. Nerve passing behind the medial epicondyle is the ulnar nerve. Iliopsoas muscle attached to the lesser trochanter of humerus. Secondary cartilaginous joints or symphysis are midline joints like manubrious sternal joint, Ziffy sternal joint, intervertebral disc, pubic symphysis, and sacrococcygeal joint. Thoracic duct drains at the junction of left subclavian vein and left jugular vein. Corner septum is seen in petrosquamous suture. Von Ebner's are present in the tongue. Rectus femoris and sartorius acts on both hip and knee joints. They are supplied by femoral nerve. Obturator nerve and vessels present at the lateral wall of pelvis. They supply muscles of medial compartment of thigh, which is gracilis. Structures passing through the greater sciatic foramen are superior gluteal vessels and nerves, inferior gluteal vessels and nerves, sciatic nerve, pudendal nerve, internal pudendal nerve, nerve 2, obturator internus. That's it. Thank you.